Hello and welcome to FDTV. We are back again with another episode, and I'm your host Ali, joined with my fellow co-host Jawad. Jawad, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Ali. Wow, great final that we just witnessed. Make sure to hit a thumbs up button before we get started. And hey, subscribe to our channel. Let's get into this.
So, absolutely, as you mentioned, Copa America final has been finalized, and the champions that came out of it are Argentina. Decades wait for every Argentine fan. A long wait for Lionel Messi himself, but finally Angel Di Maria's chip from a Rodrigo De Paul assist was the difference on the day. What are your initial thoughts of the performance from two teams?
Uh, for anyone who is not familiar with the Americana football, the South Americans, the way they play, it's really rough. And the game to us Europeans fans was not something that I was up to scratch. It was not my cup of tea. It was not something that I felt familiar with. There were too many stoppages. But let's not talk about the negatives. Let's talk about the positive. A chef's kiss finish from Angel Di Maria, just lofting the ball over the top of the keeper. And what a ball that was. People say it was a misplaced touch by the Brazilian defender, but it was all about the ball from Rodrigo De Paul. What a vision. And he was a menace throughout the game. But let's talk about the big man himself. He didn't show up in the final, but what's been missing throughout his career, the supporting cast not actually living up to the expectation, not performing. They did end up performing this time round, and it helped him deliver the trophy to the Argentinian fan, which has been missing. What's your initial thought of Messi's performance in the final?
I'm not surprised. Apart from 2015 and 2011, when he was last involved in UCL finals, other than that, he has been a flop in UCL's important and crucial knockout stages for the major part of the last decade. And again, it was a big final, and Messi went missing against a very poor Brazilian defense and a very poor Brazilian team on the day. So Messi failing on big occasions is not a surprise for me. Other than that, I think it's about time that Argentina play as a team. And on the day, they were not perfect, they were not brilliant. Their tactics were clear that they have to get a goal and then hold back and defend. So they executed their plan to perfection, and finally they got the trophy that they were waiting for after a long time. I want to highlight some points. This CONMEBOL competition has been conducted 4 times in the last 5 years. And there is an example when a guest comes to your house, you treat him very nicely, but if he keeps showing up, he loses his worth. I think the same is the case for this competition. I, as a football fan, I'm never excited by this competition. The brand of football cannot even be held in the same stratosphere as European Championships or any other UEFA Nations League or any other international competition you want to mention. I think it's about time that it is conducted after every 4 years. That will bring back the atmosphere of Copa America that is very specific to the South American football. Other than that, the Brazilian coach Tite had very valid points after the loss to Argentina. People might say that this was his heart speaking after a bad loss, but I don't think that. He said that due to the pandemic, the competition should have been cancelled. It was only conducted on a 2 weeks notice. Every players that were coming from a long season made themselves unavailable to the squad for selection. And as a result of the bad pitches and every other thing in the chaos, Brazil lost the final. I have to agree with some of his points, and I think it's about time that the CONMEBOL president takes notice of this due to the pandemic and every other thing, and conducts this tournament every other 4 years. Other than that, I really wasted 2 hours of my life on this final. It was a poor match on every aspect, other than Rodrigo De Paul's performance. I think Atletico Madrid will be very happy. What a brilliant signing they have made. He's one of my favorite Argentine players in Serie A, and he was brilliant on the day as well. So that's a good sign for Atletico Madrid. What did you make of Messi's tournament? He got 4 goals and 5 assists coming to the final, but he went missing on the big occasion. So what was your thoughts on his tournament?
That's what I was going to say. Again, agreeing with most of what you said, that it should be held every 4 years, not every other year or every year for that matter. So that does kind of reduces the prestige of the tournament. It reduces us looking forward to it and the rare occurrences where the big teams are going to meet. But that's not to take away from what Argentina actually handled themselves on this stage. So you got to keep in mind, Messi's 4 goals and 5 assists is the most of any other player in the tournament. He is the golden boot and he is the man of the tournament in my eyes. What a performance he put in every single match prior to the final, literally playing with his blood, sweat and tears. It was amazing to watch. Even in the finals, though the end product was not there for Messi, he could have put the game on to death at the 88th minute, I think it was, when he was one-on-one with the keeper, stumbled on the ball and the keeper ended up saving it. But it really showed. It really showed. The hunger in him was more than any Brazilians. I have never seen Messi go into a scissor challenge, right? Almost sliding into the other player and taking him out. That was Paquetá that he put that challenge on, and it really showed the hunger that he had in him. So that part of the game was good. Rest of the final, regardless of what you want to say, it wasn't the Messi that we're used to. And I give you the analogy that Messi is essentially the Pep Guardiola of the finals. He's overthinking that. If he had just simply lifted that ball or even finessed it into the far right corner, that would have been a goal. But he was overthinking it. He took an extra step and the goalkeeper saved it. If that was any other game, if it's not the final, Messi buries that 9 out of 10, right? So it was the one occasion that he misses it. But regardless of whatever everyone wants to say, it puts the debate to death. That was not a valid argument in my mindset anyways, that Messi is not the greatest player of all time simply because he hasn't won an international tournament. That to me doesn't make sense.
Thank you so much for watching another video of FDTV.
It's been great to have you joining us. Again, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Every single subscription helps.
It motivates to put out more football content on a daily basis. Until then, see you next time. FDTV out.